This video is to practice the chorus part of Michael Jackson's Thriller video with music. I did a tutorial in a separate video and I'll link that below. So if you missed that, I would start there. But this is just a practice. We're going to start slower at 0.75 speed and then we'll try it at regular speed. So 0.75 speed, here we go. Remember, rewind, rewatch, do it as many times as you need to at that speed. And when you're ready, let's try regular speed. Here we go. I hope that was helpful. Remember, if you missed the tutorial, that is linked in the description. But check out my channel for more fun dances to learn and let me know what you want me to teach next.